In this video, I will show you how to add rows to a table in OpenOffice Writer. You will discover 3 easy methods: the quick right-click method, the menu method, and the fastest trick to use while typing. Let's get started. Tables are designed to grow. When you need to include more items, names, or prices, there's no need to start from scratch. Simply add more rows. First, click inside the table. This is important because the row options will not function unless your cursor is positioned within the table. The quickest method for most people is to right-click inside any cell. Then, look for the option to insert a row. For simple OpenOffice templates and quick guides, check the resources link below. Now let's explore the menu method as well. Method 2 is the menu path. Start by navigating to the top menu and clicking on Table. Next, select the option to insert rows. This method is ideal if right-click menus make you feel like your computer is judging you. You can add multiple rows at once. Just look for the box that asks how many rows you need. Enter your desired number and click OK. Your table will expand instantly. Now here's the fastest trick for you. If your cursor is in the last cell of the table, located in the bottom right corner, simply press the Tab key. OpenOffice will automatically create a brand new row for you. It's like hitting the Keep Going button. If nothing happens, check 2 things. First, ensure your cursor is inside the table. Second, remember that the Tab trick only works in the last cell. If you're not in the bottom right cell, pressing Tab will simply move you to the next cell. Adding rows to a table in OpenOffice Writer is simple. You can right-click to insert a row. Alternatively, use the table menu for the same option. Another quick method is to hit Tab in the last cell, which allows the table to grow as you type. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more OpenOffice guides that make your tasks faster and easier.